Suafo Yamahum akwa baba ifua ejumakodo. Nne yedi hen enyi achirimu wo eye river Ochi a ewe ejumako Ochi so. Na dema bridge a worisi wo hono kame yede insu no ba na oto a oriba nti amama ejuma no otwentwene na ase. Na ene de yekopuem e wo Ochi so a yepede yehwe ma orokodo ihu ahabemfu a wodu ho a obi a opede o witness ma orokodo ne busuafo insu no so oria how adwen kakra nti na ode mahum update na muhuma orokodo. Sawunsaka video ya bomodin na share ne dwumeje a ifu ejumako yerdi no ontum onfane ntumapa infra aha ye ifu a ejumako abga wo dubem ha no si abga wa level one for chinibu obo kokar kwa abaka mbono no baka so okay you are holding na bana ebo ya na mi kan sali dawo ya me ga je jo ngo bi wa mi ai ngo bi en wo ba ju to mi wo yire mi a wo ba kan aka o ye ba kan aka je ba wo wo bi kale no dueta ko ni de no dueta o mlan ya un ba ti Jobi ko baby any mo wa ko paka we ma ko wa ko pe. Owo. Ehun ni. Nyoni. Den na so ba ba sin ni o nsu no wo go tin. De o ba sin. Onala. So wo ko tin. So wo go tin. Na wo o ne ba fa India ni mu. Se na e chi ni la. Mo ko kon pe chi na na mi mu no.
Find me sending purpose. Are you the temptation and focus? I work hard to survive my family to feel as we are to cost. I use all my strength and effort, cause no blood that she been Lagos. So this time if it hits me, I'll never mind, cause all is bogus. From a bribe one or 2K, nice so painful. Sometimes even cry few things that can never then no way. I spent my whole life in the hardship the whole day, and I will never sleep. Much pain was in my heart, I was okay. You won't hate me, feel you know where I'm coming from. You see that I deserve this song, was the worst thing we've been through before. So this time we are feeling no more. You won't hate me, feel you know where I'm coming from. You see that I deserve this song, was the worst thing we've been through before. So this time we are feeling no more, no more. This time we are feeling no more. Before you paint me, grab a show, you don't forget Rosie boy, I was straight from the jungle. You have no idea about princess or phrase that I used before I won this battle. I trained hard to knock down many champions before I was given this title. So this time I'm so wide, so make you never try that. You're gonna be the obstacle. I came from a long way. I work for some people that pay. I work through clock, I don't walk from Nungwa to my net in those days. So you can never pray my pray. Cause so deep, never get the fantasy. I'm grateful that what she goes through. I made life so simple for me these days. I'm gonna move to finish every project, taking the whole world, that be the target. 1 ton of cocoa money is the budget. So this time